Hey guys, how's it going? How to check Steam sale countdown timers on mobile. Unfortunately, Steam does not provide a native mobile app or built-in countdown timer for its sales on mobile devices. However, there are few workarounds to help you stay informed about upcoming Steam sales and countdown timers. First of all, you need to go to the Steam web interface. You can access the Steam web interface on your mobile browser like Safari or Chrome, and then basically log in with your account, okay? And navigate to the Steam store page, right? And basically look for games that has a discount or deals section, and you gotta see right here the special offers, right? And which will display the current and upcoming sales. You can also use the SteamDB website, which provides databases of Steam sales and updates in real time. You can use third-party apps and widgets. Some third-party apps and widgets such as Steam Sales Timer for Android or Steam Sale Countdown for iOS. You can go back to your screen and then go ahead to type right here Steam Sale Countdown, right? Countdown. Now, as you can see right here, the app is not available to me in my region at least, but if you do download it, and you're gonna be able to claim to provide Steam sale countdown timers. So you can use the Reddit and online. Another way of doing it, you can use Reddit and online communities. Just go ahead and type right here Steam community, right? Reddit. Follow Steam related subreddits, e.g. Rstream or PC Master Race, in online communities to stay informed about upcoming sales and countdown, right? Countdown timers. And if you have access to a desktop or laptop, you can set up desktop notifications for Steam sales using browser extension like Steam Sale Notifier. We're gonna type right here Steam Sale Notifier, right? Extension. And basically you're gonna be able right here to download the extension, and you're gonna be able to have access to the latest sales and countdowns. So let me know in the comments of this video. I hope you don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.